Right, welcome back. Me and Roo, we're in the garden room. This is the room where I sort of do my day-to-day job and so on. But this is the weekend. You've probably just seen Hereford, hopefully, the last vlog. If not, go back and watch that. This weekend, it's more of a home vlog. We're going to be at home doing stuff. We've got to go out and do some bits and pieces tomorrow, which will take you on. And on Sunday, I'm bringing Rocky over here. I'm going to take you through all the upgrades that we are going to do now, just before our summer holidays road trip, where we're going to be going around the Welsh coast. First of all, we're going to run around the sort of southern coast, sort of from West Wales, sort of Aberavon that way. Abereyron, sorry, we're going to go to first. And then we're working our way down. You might see some familiar places because we are revisiting and so on. Apparently, I'm going to have to get kicked out of my chair because someone's telling me he wants to sit in the chair. Do you want to sit in this chair? Right. We'll tell you a bit more about the Welsh trip in a bit, but come along with us this weekend while we get up to all sorts of TIG family shenanigans, and we're going to fix Rocky again, and we're going to show you all the upgrades we're doing, as I said. Let's get on. Right. So as everything with this family and vlogs and so on, things go sideways, don't they?
So, as you may know or may not know, I'm just turning the tap off because I'm cleaning as always. Sadly, I lost my mum at Christmas, and Dad has been feeling a little bit lonely. As you've seen, he came and met us in Benidorm when we drove down.
He was in the Benidorm vlogs.
Yeah, so he's ifing and ahhing about purchasing motorhome, van, etc. But I think he was slightly put off about driving with Europe and things like that. And within his budget, there wasn't very many nice things about. So we have done one better. And I'm sure Mr. Tig will show you now.
Come with me now. Right, honestly. This is... Yeah, I think our neighbours think... Well, saying that, our neighbours, if they watch it, they're probably going to have one in a couple of weeks, Sean. Just tell Joe it's a necessary purchase. But, yeah. I'll show you just now, because someone's already in it. But can anyone guess in the comments below? But you can see it anyway, but... Ta-da! What are you in? Say hello to everyone.
Say hello to everyone.
Yeah. We've got, or he's now got, a roof box, a tent box. This is actually our car, so it's not going on this. It's going actually on a Ford Cougar. We've just gone to pick it up. We've put it out to test it. Our neighbours must love us. Ralph's come and have a look. And someone doesn't want to get out of it, do you, mister? So, watch out, future vlogs now on Tent Box. This is a Tent Box X Lite XL. So, we're going to be...
Sweeties.
We're going to be getting some sweeties. So yeah, keep an eye on the vlogs. Grampy Cam coming soon.
More juice.
Pardon? More juice. See you in the next bit. So, I'm getting told off if I say that word. Zoe's in there. Rocky's here now at Newbridge Caravans. This is our local place that we always bring Rocky to get fixed. It is a great little company. They've helped us out a couple of times. They've done several bits on Rocky. They do our habitation check every year when we have him done. But he's going in because some of you might remember this. Look, they even let the big kids in on the plane. Look at... No, not that. Oh, ooh. Yes. This.
The nightmare that everyone tries to avoid. Look, it's gone over the top. I've heard about it. I've never seen one over the top like that.
So he's going in for a bit of surgery and he's going to have his new awning put on. So it's Monday today. We pick him up on Friday. So let's go to Friday. So we're back 3 days later and here's the big reveal. Rocky has got his awning back now. Admittedly, it is a different colour, but what happened was when we contacted them, the white one wasn't available quite that, so they've got the black one, which was the same price and obviously was on a quicker turnaround. So that's what we figured. I think it looks quite nice. But Rocky's got his awning back, so all that trouble at van life is all sorted now. So we're back at it. Zoe's driving. We're in Rocky. It's Friday afternoon. and we're going to go get some fuel and some gas, get it all ready for leaving on Sunday. Ruben's in the back, he's all out for school, so he's all happy. So let's head off to Morrison's and Tesco's and get some fuel. Right, morning again, we're back. Excuse the mess. There's Ralph. He's watching intently. So it is day -0. We go on the Welsh road trip tomorrow. So today is going to be packing everything, getting everything ready in Rocky, getting Ralph ready. And we've got some essential maintenance to do. So what has happened is, in the skylights in Rocky, the blinds that go across the fly net and that, they've broken, or one of the things are broken. So I'm going to show you what's happened. So here is one. I've actually fixed one already. It's over there, it's finished. I fixed it last night, and I wanted to fix it first, as I said, excuse the mess, before I then showed you how I'm going to fix this one. Because if I make a tit of it, then I made a tit of it with that one. Right, so, well, I said so. I'm going to put a pound in the jar. This is the major fail point apparently. This here, if you might notice right down here, has two little runners like this. But one, after time, has snapped off. And it is just here. Thankfully, we found it. If you didn't find it, you're knackered. You're probably going to have to get a new one. But what I would say is, if you ever have to replace one of these with a new one, keep these, because it is super simple to fix. All they're basically held on by are these little metal clips, and you can use a little screwdriver to try and clip them. So give me 2 minutes while I get everything else sorted, and then I'm going to take you through how I repaired that one, doing the same thing in this one. And literally all you need is a bit of Gorilla Glue, a small little screwdriver like this, and a bit of patience, and you're fine. And some masking tape, and I'll show you why later. So let's get over onto the kitchen table in just a second, and I'll show you how I'm fixing this. It never ends, it never ends. Right, so we're coming to the end of it. Thank you very much for watching just this prep day. Actually, no, I'm not going to finish it there. We'll do a finishing thing. Right, last few jobs to do. I've got to pack some stuff away. They're the things for the fridge. Ralph, we've just given Rocky a wash. I've got to put all the jet washing away. Yeah, he's out there now. I'll just take you through. We're going to Rocky now. Right, we're in. Oh, why? Every time I hit this bloody screen guide every time it's for the fly net. Right, this is what I forgot to put in here. This is for the fridge. Oh, someone forgot to turn the alarm off. Right, so yeah, we're all packed up. Rocky's all set. Got like he's going to stay outside of the house tonight. We're all set. Everything's like got the Starlink and so on. The bathroom, there's the blinds. So this one in here is actually broken still, and I got to replace that. As you may have seen earlier, this one is working lovely now though. It's working stonkingly. That one wasn't it? So this one here, so it's working lovely. We're all packed up. Right, thank you for watching today. I know it's not been one of the most thrilling of vlogs from us, but please don't forget, if you haven't already, like, click and subscribe. It helps grow the channel and shows you what we're up to. Come and join us next week, where we have actually started. We will start the road trip and make the way over to Aberystwyth tomorrow. It's Sunday tomorrow, and we're going to go there for the day before we head on to Aberavon, and we'll show you the campsite in the vlog. And we're also going to sort of look what Aberystwyth is like for someone with disability and needs, and they can get round and what they'll be there for them. So, as per usual, we'll catch you on the next one.